In a quiet park at dawn, a sparrow pauses on a branch and chirps a story of resilience through changing seasons. A gull above the jetty translates ocean currents into a warning, showing how waste travels and echoes back to us. A robin by the hedge signals hopeful change with bright red certainty, declaring that spring is both gift and reminder. Street pigeons sketch the city with wing beats, revealing how life adapts when noise and lights press in. If listeners slow down, birds become historians of place, teaching patience, balance, and the courage to move with the wind.